Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to speak about independence. Independence means the state of being free and not controlled by another person or country. This year marks the 79th anniversary of independence of India. British ruled India from year 1757 to 1947, that is for around 200 years. Before the British came, there was no idea of an Indian nationality and India was divided by many kings and rules. One nation, one rule was no there. Things changed after the British came. The idea of democracy, governance, law and justice came when British ruled over India. India have never been united if British didn't rule us. It means that British have some good impact in India, like railways, airways, e-education, armed forces, civil services, etc. They brought our favorite game cricket and tea from China. They abolished many harmful customs and traditions in India like Bal Vivah, Sati, etc. After all these things, the question arises, then why Indians were not happy at that time? Because along with all these developments, British rule was exploiting our economy and our natural resources. They were looting India. But one of the most important things that they were exploiting our freedom. Indians were working as slaves and labor for them. People of India were not having any human rights. They were being treated very badly. In that stress condition, some people sacrificed their lives in the war of independence. We call them freedom fighters. The amount of pain, hardship and opposition they have endured cannot be put into words. They are pillars behind the freedom movement. They made aware of their rights and their power. However, we see nowadays people of India are fighting with each other and living in fear from each other. Then tell me, what is the use of this freedom which we got from the many struggle and sacrifices of freedom fighters? We must come together without any hate and live up to the India dream of these freedom fighters and work for the betterment of nation. Only then we will honor their sacrifices and memory. I will end my speech with this word. Thousands laid down their lives so that our country breathes this day. Thousands laid down their lives so that our country breathes this day. Never forget their sacrifices. Happy Independence Day. Thank you.